I first started losing my hair at the age of 21. You don't want to get your hair wet in the pool and stuff. By luck, found out about this Dr. Bolton. I saw it from a YouTube video. It feels great.
Got your smile again right now.
Yeah, definitely. I feel more. I was going to tell a little white lie and pretend that this is what you get when you have the operation afterwards. It's like a prize. Even though this is a girl I love who I tell everything to. You said it looked that natural. I'll say it again. It is the best investments in my life. If you want those results, then this is the place to come. I'd like to thank Dr. Bolton for doing the procedure.